Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the screw modifier. Okay, first of all, let's go to click on press F4 and go to the preferences, and 1 minute, let me bring back this shortcuts and put here an extra, write extra and click on this. You should enable this extra objects. Okay, add mesh extra objects. And when I'm going to here, I'm pressing shift A and going to mesh and going to add single vertices. And now I'm in edit mode and I'm going to press E so I can extrude it. Okay, or Control Z. I'm going to 1 and extrude it. For example, if I want something like this, I'll extrude it, click, and I'm going to extrude something like this. Let me go near, extrude, and Z axis, and again E. I'm going to put it something like this. This one is X, and extrude it again. I will put it here. Okay, I will put it here. So let me make this one smaller. I'm making like a glass. I'm making like something so you can drink water of it. Okay, so like this I created this, something like this. Why I created this? I'll go edit, I'll go to object mode. Why I created something like this? I want to I want to rotate this around here. How? By screw modifier. Let me go to the screw modifier. You see, just in a simple way I could make something to drink. You see, we can give it iteration. Iteration is so it can be very smooth, but be aware of the iteration. You can make the angles less. Let's make it less. You see, something like this appeared. You see, so I will put it 360, and you can give it screw like this. You see, you can make it go up and down, or you will tell it to rotate around something. Let me put this one here and scale something like this and something like this, and I'll tell it to rotate around this. I'll tell it cylinder, around the cylinder. You see, I'll tell it, I'll go to edit and take this one here, make it nearer to x-axis, so something like this will appear. And I can make the steps viewport more, so it will be smooth, or make in the render smooth. Okay, I hope it was helpful for this one. Right now we have another thing. Okay, so I'm clicking and deleting this, shift C, and let's go to the what should I do? Let's put a circle. Let me see if I can put a screw to this. Yeah, I can put a screw to this. You see, I can make it something like this. You see, the iteration is too much. I'll make it less, and we can make it rotate around something else, not only this. Okay, so we cannot make the angle less because we have circle, full circle. Okay, like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this on y-axis and x-axis like this. You can see how it acts. Let me see. See how we can rotate the things like this. Now I can see like an apple. I'm extruding something like this. You see how beneficial it will be? It will not be right now a beneficial thing for you, but it was good to know that we have something like this. Okay, so for example, if I have something, let's go to the single vertex. If I have something, for example, let's say like a lamp, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this one here, and I'll delete this one, and I'll continue with this. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to make something like this. Okay, x-axis, extrude, maybe this will be helpful right now. Let me see how it's going to act, but this one I think is very big, so I'm making it smaller, and this one smaller, and let's see the screw modifier. Okay, something like this happened. If you want to have an opening here, what you should do is that you don't have to leave this one here. You see, you don't have to leave this one here. You put this here and extrude it something, and extrude in this way, and let's see, and you have an opening. And let's give it an subdivision. Let's see what it does. It does something like this. You see? I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.